Amidst the festive cheer of Sodor's winter parade, Thomas and Percy gleam with colorful lights. Banners flutter cheerfully as Percy follows closely behind, carrying joyful passengers through the snow-kissed landscape. The bright sun reflects off the pristine snow, casting a radiant glow upon the festive procession. Laughter and merriment fill the air as the parade winds its way through the winter wonderland. The winter parade is underway, a vibrant spectacle of light and joy against the snowy backdrop. Elsa arrives on Sodor, stepping off the train into a whirlwind of excitement. A crowd of onlookers eagerly awaits, their faces lit with anticipation. With a radiant smile, Elsa waves, her gloved hand sparkling like a beacon. The air crackles with joy as Elsa prepares to grace Sodor's winter parade. The onlookers cheer, their excitement reaching a fever pitch as the parade is about to begin. Sodor welcomes Elsa with open arms, ready to celebrate winter in grand style. The tranquility of Sodor is shattered as a magical snowstorm descends, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland of formidable beauty. The wind howls like a banshee as snowflakes dance and swirl, creating a mesmerizing yet menacing spectacle of nature's raw power. The tracks vanish beneath a thick blanket of snow, and the parade grinds to an abrupt halt, its festive cheer frozen in time. The festive spirit of Sodor is tested as the sudden snowstorm threatens to bury all in its path. The magical snowstorm continues to rage, its icy grip tightening on Sodor, leaving the fate of the parade hanging in the balance. The train slowly grinds to a halt, an omen of the isolation to come. Outside, a relentless snowstorm engulfs the world, a stark white canvas erasing all sense of direction and hope. Unease tightens its grip as the reality of their predicament sinks in, as passengers' faces begin to reflect growing fear. Fear becomes a tangible presence, filling the carriage as silence amplifies their growing despair. Uncertainty looms large, casting a shadow over every face as hope dwindles in the face of the relentless storm. Against the unforgiving backdrop of snow-laden tracks, Thomas and Percy battle the elements, their struggle palpable. Their wheels spin in vain, a desperate dance against the slick ice, as steam vanishes into the frozen air. Panic tightens its icy grip as Percy cries out, "We're stuck fast, Thomas! I can't move an inch!" Thomas responds, desperation lacing his words. "Me neither, Percy. This is worse than I thought. We need help." Elsa gets out of her carriage. Her movements are smooth and graceful. Her eyes scan the tracks, taking in the sight of the stranded train. The weight of the situation settles upon her, a shadow of concern crossing her features. A fierce resolve sparks in Elsa's eyes, her expression hardening with determination. Thomas approaches Elsa, his face etched with urgency as he points towards the obstructed tracks. Thomas pleads with Elsa, his voice ringing with desperation. "Elsa, we need your magic to clear the tracks. A train is stuck." Elsa nods, her expression firm with resolve, ready to unleash her power. Elsa prepares to assist. On the snow-covered tracks, Elsa gestures with determination, her powers poised to create a path of shimmering ice. Ice crystals swirl into existence, a precarious path forming across the desolate expanse. But the magic spirals out of control, the ice spreading in uncontrolled patterns, a beautiful yet dangerous spectacle. The tracks freeze over at an alarming rate, the situation escalating with each passing moment. Sunlight dances across the pristine, snow-laden tracks, a stage set for determination. Percy resolves hardens his gaze as he turns to Elsa, hope flickering in his eyes. Percy's voice cuts through the crisp air. "Elsa, maybe we can use your magic to loosen the snow and we'll push it away." Elsa meets Percy's hopeful look with a soft gaze. Elsa's magic crackles with vibrant energy as she melts the snow, her hands glowing with power. Thomas and Percy work together, their wheels spinning, pushing the loosened snow aside. Magic and machinery unite, their combined efforts carving a path through the snow. Visible progress emerges as the path clears, a testament to their teamwork. A clear path appears, a testament to magic and engineering working in harmony. Stranded passengers watch with bated breath, their hopes pinned on the tireless efforts unfolding before them. Thomas, Percy, and Elsa labor relentlessly, their determination etching a path to freedom. With each obstacle cleared, a renewed sense of optimism washes over the weary travelers. The cleared path emerges, a beacon of hope amidst the desolation. Spirits soar, buoyed by the tangible progress, and the promise of a journey resumed. The train awaits, poised to carry its passengers from stagnation to salvation. Against all odds, Thomas and Percy strain with every bolt and coupling to wrench the train free from winter's icy grip. The train shudders, resisting as the unforgiving snowdrift holds it captive. With a united surge, the engines unleash their full might, challenging the stubborn barrier with raw power. A sudden break. The train jolts forward, finally liberated from its icy prison, signaling victory. Cheers erupt from the passengers, their voices echoing with relief and gratitude. Thomas and Percy are heroes, their teamwork and tenacity having saved the day. The winter parade sets off once more, the fresh snow sparkling under the sun. Thomas leads the parade, his face shining with pride. Percy's eyes sparkle with delight as he follows close behind. Elsa's presence adds a magical touch to the festive scene. The parade moves through Sodor, its vibrant energy spreading happiness. The snowstorm is gone, replaced by the sun that bathes the scene in warmth. Joyful faces line the streets, each reflecting the pure delight of the celebration. The air is filled with laughter and music, a symphony of cheer echoing across Sodor. Elsa stands on the platform. A gentle breeze dances through her hair. Thomas and Percy are parked nearby, their faces gleaming under the sunlit sky. With heartfelt emotion, Elsa expresses, "It was wonderful working with you both," she says emotionally. "You showed me the true spirit of Sodor." The warmth of friendship fills the air as they share a final moment of camaraderie. Thomas and Percy watch Elsa depart, their forms outlined by the sun's radiant glow. Steam gently rises as a shared moment of gratitude connects them. Sunlight gleams on the tracks, mirroring the polished paintwork of the engines. They realize the power of teamwork and the importance of helping others, no matter the challenge. The spirit of camaraderie shines as bright as the Sodor sun. Gratitude and understanding fill the air as the engines reflect on their adventure.